Hello, everybody. This is your trader next door, and today is October 4th, 2020. Um, it's a weekend, so I thought it will be a good time to create a new video. And this time it's related to not my trades because that's something that is already posted with my, I've already made the last video with where my current trades stand and also posted on Twitter the adjustments that I made to those trades. So you can watch that particular video. The link is also above, and if you want, you can watch that. But right now, what I'm going to be focusing on, and this is going to be like a series of option strategies that I typically focus on when it comes to options trading. If you've seen my previous videos, you would know that I'm primarily focused on options writing or option selling. And my strategies that I use for primarily Nifty and one option that I use is RBL Bank because I don't like Bank Nifty that much because of the volatility and the kind of strategies that I use. But I still prefer looking at one of the bank stocks because RBL Bank is a high beta stock. So I like trading in that, and it's been working well for me for the past few months. So I continue to stick with that. But yeah, primarily, the focus right now is going to be on Nifty and the strategies that I deploy for Nifty. Now, one such strategy that I use the most, especially for Nifty monthly, this I think is like the best strategy for an option seller and the most basic one, which is called short strangle. Right, so it is called short strangle, and please bear with me for my handwriting. I'm using this whiteboard, but मेरी हैंड राइटिंग कभी कभी मेरे को लगता है इतनी ख़राब है कि मुझे खुद ही समझ नहीं आती. सो प्लीज़ bear with me, and but I'm sure that through my words you'll be able to understand a lot in terms of what I'm trying to say. So let's delete that. So let's see, what is a short strangle? So basically the goal, so first of all, it's important that you understand the goal of a short strangle. The goal is to profit from little or no price movement in the underlying stock. So it could be, whatever you're choosing as an underlying stock or an index like Nifty or a particular bank stock or any kind of share, right, which is in the FNO market. If you want to deploy this, your goal is to profit from little or no price movement in the underlying stock. So let me give you an example. So let's say एक लाइन बनाते हैं. let's say मैं 4 लाइन बनाता हूँ. ओके, सो लेट्स से निफ्टी की बात करते हैं. सो निफ्टी अभी जैसे 11,400 पे है. मैं इसको थोड़ा स्पेस नहीं है तो 11.4 बोल रहा हूँ. 11,400 पे है, राइट. सो अगर आप सोचते हो लाइक फ्रॉम अ मंथली परस्पेक्टिव, राइट, द मंथ हैज जस्ट बिगन. So what I would typically do is I normally from an upside I look at least when I start the month or when I deploy the strategy for short strangle. This is my preferred strategy every month when it comes to Nifty. What I do is I look at where does Nifty stand on the day that I'm putting in the short strangle, and I look at doing it as that from the plus side. What I'll do is मुझे लगता है कि normally निफ्टी किसी भी स्टॉक को ऊपर जाने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है एज़ कम्पेयर टू उसको नीचे आने में, राइट. सो व्हाट आई डू इज़ टू बी ऑन द सेफ जोन. मैं नीचे देखता हूँ 11.4 से 1000 पॉइंट्स नीचे इज़ 10.4, विच मीन्स 10,400 पॉइंट्स, राइट, 10,400. और ऊपर आने के लिए मैं देखता हूँ अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 900 पॉइंट्स या 850 पॉइंट्स. सो लेट्स से मोटा मोटा हम देख लेते हैं बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. सो लेट्स से 12.2 इन दिस केस विच इज़ 800 पॉइंट्स प्लस, राइट. सो दिस विल बी 12,200 का कॉल, राइट, एंड दिस विल बी 10,400 का पुट, राइट. तो ये एक हमने ब्रैकेट बना लिया, ये एक प्रॉफिट जोन बना लिया. तो इसमें मैं क्या करूँगा, शॉर्ट स्ट्रैंगल बेसिकली क्या है, it is basically selling a one short call, like shorting a call on the higher side right? And shorting a put on the lower side, so selling both, right? So basically you're creating a bracket or a profit zone. So this will become my profit zone, right? So as long as Nifty stays between 10,400 and 11,400, or it doesn't go below 10,400, or on the upside if it doesn't go above 12,200, I make a profit. Now how do I make that profit? सो लेट्स से 10,400 पुट आज की डेट में, अभी मैंने ऑप्शन चेन नहीं देखा है, बट जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल, तो जो भी उसका प्रीमियम है, सो लेट्स से आज की डेट में उसका प्रीमियम है 20 रुपये, राइट? तो मैंने 20 रुपये पे यहाँ पे बेचा जब उसका प्रीमियम 20 रुपये था या 20 रुपीज़ था, दैट्स व्हेन आई सोल्ड इट, राइट? एंड हियर ऑल्सो लेट्स एज्यूम 12,200 इज ऑल्सो एट लेट्स से 15 रुपीज़, okay? So I sold 10,400 put at 20 rupees and I sold 12,200 call at 15 rupees. My total credit that I have received is 35 rupees, right? This is the credit because मैंने बेचा है, right? तो मेरे को 35 rupees मिल गए. Now think about it this way, everybody knows that Nifty का lot is 75. So यहाँ पे 75 into 20 and यहाँ पे 75 into on the right side 75 into 15. So total 35 rupees का मेरे को क्रेडिट मिल गया into 75. Okay, so that's my total net credit. So both, in this case short triangle is both options have the same underlying stock, which in this case is Nifty, right? And the same expiration date. So in this case we're just talking about the monthly expiry, okay? Because this is like the best strategy that I look at when it comes to a monthly expiry. And it is basically the whole funda behind a short triangle is established for a net credit or a net receipt, and the profit that I could get if it works in my favor and if it stays within the profit zone, which is again here, right? I get this entire 35 rupees into 75, which is the lot size of Nifty. It depends on the, I'm just considering one lot. Basis your capacity, you can sell as many lots that you can. So the profit potential is limited to the total premium received in this case, which is 35 rupees, right? And the potential loss is unlimited if the stock price, if it goes beyond this barrier, right? This barrier, or if it goes beyond this barrier, then I will start facing a loss, and that stock loss can be unlimited because Nifty कितना भी ऊपर जा सकता है और कितना भी नीचे जा सकता है, right? Now इस केस में अब जो हम बात करेंगे इज़ ब्रेक इवन. सो 12,200 का जो मैंने कॉल लिया था वो मैंने 15 रुपीज़ में कॉल बेचा था, दैट वाज फॉर 15 रुपीज़. सो इन दिस केस माय ब्रेक इवन वुड बी 12,200, क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ वहाँ तक जाए, प्लस द 15 रुपीज़ दैट आई सोल्ड इट एज. सो माय ब्रेक इवन वुड एक्चुअली बी नॉट 12,200, माय ब्रेक इवन वुड बी 12,215. And the same way here, my loss would only start incurring if Nifty crosses through the month, if it crosses 10,400 plus another 80, which is 10,380 in this case, जिस पे जो भी प्रीमियम पे मैंने बेचा है, जो मेरे को क्रेडिट मिला है, राइट? सो ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. Ideally, a strangle ka you should always choose a very safe zone or a very long, wide profit zone, because the very fact that if you're if the the zones that you've chosen from the lower side or the upper side, if they are going to be crossed or they become in the money, because moment wo udhar ho jata hai, it becomes in the money, you will be in a huge loss, and it means that you're not really using a wider zone or a safe zone at the start of the month, right? So basically you need to be very careful about using the short triangle. Okay, so it is basically a neutral strategy or a range bound strategy, so it works very well in your favor, especially over the weekends and due to the time decay, because आपने sell करा है, so as the premium value of the options or the it depreciates with time, so it's like the most depreciating asset. So you have to be you typically in a very safe zone. It is the easiest strategy that can make you money in Nifty monthly, and you collect two option premiums, and the stock has to move a lot before you even start losing money. Through the month you can keep making adjustments. So let's say, फिर से हम इस पे बात करते हैं. सो लेट्स से स्टॉक प्राइस अभी करंट मार्केट प्राइस यहाँ पे है, आपने एक अंडरलाइन यहाँ पे चूज़ करी और एक स्ट्रैंगल यहाँ पे करा, पुट यहाँ पे बेच दिया और कॉल यहाँ पे बेच दिया, दोनों सेल करें, राइट। नाउ लेट्स से एकदम से निफ्टी एक दिन बढ़ता है और इसके पास आना शुरू हो जाता है। सो ये जो आपने 15 पे बेचा था और ये आपने 20 पे बेचा था, राइट। सो ये जो आपने कॉल 15 पे बेची वो हो जाएगी लेट्स से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20 की, राइट। सो ये हो जाएगा 20 का। बट जो आपने यहाँ पे बेचा था, बिकॉज द निफ्टी वेंट अप, सो दिस one from 20 will go to let's say 12. Okay, now the total credit that you had got was of 35, right? That was 35. You want this total to be below 35 at all times. So this becomes 20 but this has become 12. You still have 32. आपको तब भी 3 रुपये का प्रॉफिट है, राइट। नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू हैव टू चॉइसेस। अगर आपको लगता है कि ये बहुत आगे बढ़ गया है और ये वाला मेरा डेंजर में आने वाला है या कुछ है, राइट, आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो यहाँ पे आपने जो 20 का बेचा था वो 12 का हो गया या जो भी प्राइस पे हो गया, वो आपका प्रॉफिट है, आपको यहाँ पे प्रॉफिट मिलेगा। यू टेक दिस प्रॉफिट, right, you take away this profit and then come a bit closer to the market price, because the premium here will be higher. Premium in this strike price of the put, let's say हमने 10,400 पुट बेचा था, राइट, और निफ्टी 11,600 पे आ गया, आप यहाँ पे क्लोजर हो तो आप यहाँ पे आके फिर 10,600 का पुट बेच दो। दिस 10,600 पुट विल टिपिकली बी 70% ऑफ दिस 20 रुपीज़। तो जैसे आप मूवमेंट के हिसाब से अपना एडजस्टमेंट करते रहोगे, आपका प्रॉफिट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस और एवरी 2 days यू विल बी एबल टू टेक आउट प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम द मार्केट वाइल still being in the market, by saving your position, by coming closer to the to the current market price on the winning side. You don't sell more on the losing side. You keep coming from the winning side, right? Now if it goes in the money, then that's something that I can talk about it a bit later, because right now I'm just kind of focusing on what the strategy in itself is. This is one of the easiest strategies that you can deploy every month in the market. It will give you consistent amount of money. So please, if you if you want to go through this video again, please do, because I think this strategy alone has a lot of potential to make a lot of money for you, even if you have very basic understanding of options trading. Because इसमें सिंपल फंडा ये है कि एज लॉन्ग एज जो आपने स्ट्राइक प्राइस दोनों तरफ से सेल करे और निफ्टी वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचा, या जो भी आपने स्टॉक चूज़ करा वो वहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचा, ये दोनों जो आपने यहाँ पे 20 रुपये पे बेचा था या 15 रुपये पे बेचा था और आपको 35 रुपीज़ मिले थे, ये दोनों ज़ीरो हो जाएंगे। अगर ये ज़ीरो हो गए बिकॉज वो वहाँ तक पहुँचा नहीं, तो वो इवेंट ही नहीं हुआ, राइट, ये आपका 35 रुपीज़ बन गया, राइट। और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप एक्सपायरेशन तक रुको या कुछ भी रखो, यू डोंट हैव टू वेट अंटिल एक्सपायरी to start with. If you're just starting off, your first priority should be to see even if you're able to make money or something is going to work for you. I'll be absolutely fine अगर मैं आज की डेट में अगर मैं losses में हूँ, right? My first funda should not be to recover those losses, or if I'm starting out, my first priority should not be to become a millionaire or a crorepati in 1 year 2 years. क्योंकि अगर वो करोगे फिर तो आप कोई प्रॉफिट भी कमाओगे, आप उसमें भी खुश नहीं होगे, और जो लॉस होगा उसमें आप और डिप्रेशन में चले जाओगे। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज़, अगर 35 रुपीज़ मेरा मैक्सिमम पोटेंशियल है, आई शुड बी लुकिंग एट, अगर मेरा 50% भी बन गया, विच इज़ अबाउट 17 रुपीज़ और 17 या 18 राउंड फिगर, अगर मेरा 18 रुपीज़ का भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, आई एम आउट, एंड देन आई कैन गेट इन टू अनदर स्ट्रैंगल फॉर another strike price, because see the market is open 5 days a week mostly, right, except for holidays. मार्केट कहीं नहीं जा रही है, आपको ये देखना है कि आपका प्रॉफिट पोटेंशियल जितना बन रहा है या नहीं बन रहा है। आपका 50% हुआ, दैट्स लाइक एन आइडियल टाइम टू गेट आउट and enjoy the profit that you're getting, invest it again or put it in your capital again and keep compounding, because that's how you will become a consistent trader. Don't focus on the money right now, just focus on a process which may work for you. Try and test it if you have not done it so far. I'm sure this will make you a lot of money. This will in fact become a base. Short strangle actually is a base for thousands of strategies when it comes to options trading, just work on this one first, and I'm sure that if you master this one and if you realize the potential of this, see, it's a very boring trade. Trading is not about putting in orders every time. It's also about observing and looking and waiting. Playing the waiting game is the maximum time. This will be a very boring trade, but it will be a very rewarding trade for you, a very rewarding strategy for you, and especially it works very well in index, not in stocks. So what I would say is that um, only if you're starting out in options trading, आप वीकली मत करो, आप बैंक निफ्टी वीकली मत करो, आप बैंक निफ्टी भी मंथली मत करो. बैंक निफ्टी ज़्यादा वाइल्ड है, ज़्यादा वॉलेटाइल है. यू शुड बी फोकसिंग ऑन निफ्टी, एंड दैट टू द मंथली of nifty to start with. That's the best way to do it, because nifty, yes, it has movements, it is meant to move, but it still is better in terms of how the number of movements that happen, let's say out of 22 days in the month. In nifty, overall my experience is that mostly it only moves in the last week of the month or in the first week of the month. During the other time, it's mostly consolidating, and very exceptional situations in which it kind of changes. So it will really help you from the long run. Don't go for sixer from the very first go. Just focus on the process. Again, बहुत सिंपल है, राइट. मैं फिर से समझा देता हूँ. 11,400 पे निफ्टी है. आपने सोचा कि 12,200 ऊपर कॉल बेचो, 800 पॉइंट नीचे 10,400 पुट बेचो. सेल. दिस इज पुट, दिस इज कॉल. सेल बोथ, डोंट बाय, सेल. जो भी क्रेडिट है वो आपका है, और जस्ट वेट. राइट, जिस डायरेक्शन में निफ्टी जा रहा है, लेट्स से ऊपर जा रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा जा रहा है, जिस दिन ज़्यादा मूव नहीं कर रहा है, आपको कुछ चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑटोमेटिकली दोनों टाइम टिके से आपको प्रॉफिट दे देंगे. आपको जैसे ये 35 का 20 भी बनता है या 18 भी हो जाता है, आपका वो प्रॉफिट है, लेके निकल जाओ. And then again, try the strategy, keep trying the strategy, give it a shot for 1 month, 2 months. I'm sure that will be profitable for you, and then go for the bigger picture and for more complicated strategies, which will have the strangle in some shape or form, as a strategy in the place. So you have to keep that in mind. Don't go for glory in the very first shot. Go for singles right now, and then slowly you will get that confidence for bigger and more complicated strategies. All right, so thank you so much for your time, and I will keep posting more videos when it comes to my strategies. I'm thinking that I'll have more around nifty weekly as well that I do. But right now, I think nifty monthly strategy that I use, I've just shared it with you. This is how I exactly do it. आप मेरा कोई भी trade देख लो, you look at any of my videos, this is exactly what you will see that I did for October as well. On the day I put in those trades, and I'll keep doing that. So any questions, any feedback that you have, please ask me, and I'll be able to. I'll try my best to answer those questions. I just recently launched my Telegram channel. I'm on Twitter and I'm on YouTube. I don't like Instagram for this; it's too complicated for me, so I don't get there. But yeah, I'm learning as well, and I'm really enjoying making these videos for you guys. So please like these videos, subscribe them, please share with your friends, and please reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much, and have a nice weekend, and enjoy your Sunday, and have a good trading week, the upcoming week. Thank you so much.